Does your kitchen faucet feel like it's dancing every time you touch it? That shaky, annoying wiggle might seem small, but if you don't fix it, it can lead to leaks, damage, and a lot of frustration. Don't call a plumber just yet. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to tighten your kitchen sink faucet and make it rock solid again. And trust me, it's way easier than you think. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I share easy DIY fixes that save you time, money, and stress around the house. And today we're going under the sink to solve one of the most common problems in any kitchen, the dreaded loose faucet. Stick with me until the end because I'll also share a couple of pro tips that'll keep your faucet tight for years to come. Alright, so first things first, why does this happen? Most kitchen faucets are held in place by one or two mounting nuts underneath the sink. Over time, from constant use, vibrations, or even just water pressure, those nuts can slowly loosen. When that happens, the faucet starts wobbling. If you ignore it, it can stress the water lines, cause small leaks, and even damage the sink surface. So tightening it early saves you bigger headaches later. Good news, you don't need a big toolbox for this. Here's what will make your life easier. A basin wrench. This is a special tool designed to reach tight spots under the sink. It makes the job 10 times easier. An adjustable wrench or slip joint pliers if you don't have a basin wrench. A flashlight or headlamp because let's be real, it's dark down there. And maybe a towel or pad for your back because lying under the sink isn't exactly the comfiest. Before you crawl in, clear out all those bottles, sponges, or garbage cans from under the sink. Give yourself room to move. Trust me, this step saves a lot of frustration. You don't need to turn off the water for this fix since we're only tightening, not disconnecting, but if you feel safer, you can shut off the water valves too. Now slide under and look right where the faucet pipes come down through the sink. You'll usually see one or two threaded rods with nuts at the bottom. That's the mounting hardware holding the faucet in place. Depending on your faucet, it could be a big plastic nut or a metal one. This is where your basin wrench shines. Position the wrench around the nut and turn it clockwise. While you're tightening, ask someone up top to hold the faucet straight or just check it yourself every few turns so it doesn't end up crooked. Don't go crazy over tightening, just snug it enough that the faucet doesn't move when you push or pull on it. If your sink surface is thin, like stainless steel, you might notice the faucet loosens again over time. A little trick here is to add a faucet stabilizer plate or even a small bead of plumber's putty under the faucet base before tightening. This gives it extra grip and prevents future wobbling. Alright, moment of truth. Grab the faucet, wiggle it side to side, and see if it's nice and firm. Turn the handle, swivel the spout. No more dancing faucet. That's a solid fix. Since you're already under the sink, here's a quick bonus tip. Check your supply lines and shut-off valves. If you see any drips or corrosion, it might be time to replace them. Doing this now can save you from surprise leaks later. And that's it. You just tightened your kitchen faucet like a pro without spending a dime on a plumber. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY fixes, and share this video with anyone who has a wobbly faucet driving them nuts. And hey, drop a comment below if you want me to cover other quick kitchen fixes. I read every single one. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.